The time I want to take a penetrate upon yourself. Una penetrate upon me, I try do my goal. Una penetrate upon me. I know say. Una God chastise you many times already. You think God like you get up and chastising children? All people. Yes. Every minute you hop on the people, mama, pain I go kill you. You go suffer. You must suffer. You is too wicked. And nobody make no, you're not supposed to think say yes to me and then do today. Yes, see them there. You're not supposed to think say are all people, are a people, children, are a cocky so much you take. Everything you go is sins. God a beat you bad. And you not change your way and pay attention to your sluggy self. But foot hurt, this hurt. I gotta beat you. Leave people alone. Gotta beat you. See, hold on a foot. And yesterday my friend, your friend go dress for her. The foot. Gotta beat you now. I want too wicked. I want to make page. Have me pan left, right, and center. Gotta go beat. Hey! See me out with my cigarette. Listen what go on with me, you know. Big time. Maybe that's why I don't feel like go back in a bar and I lick out the bar myself so I can't see nobody in the killer. See it there? I throw you over a fence. See it there, Liz, lie down, you know. I go move it from there so now and pack it in the storeroom part where I can't get the ply them for look use back. God himself. I don't want to buy. You know when I notice we don't know? I don't know when God a beat you know. And a beat you know bad. You already steal your steak, find one dream, find one turpy. You hop on the plummy crotch. Know how plummy stink. Know how plummy hungry. 70 a day old woman, boy. Hey, prayer. Prayer me I use and win. When they used to talk about that I say, go on your knee and pray. And God will answer prayer. Me know in a life, me not do nobody nothing bad. I have done many good in my life. And I have been struggling, growing. And you can't force me to eat my mama. She ugly, underneath her wrinkle, she stink, you shall suffer. My child, where you try protest against, forget through out of college in Brussels, it never happened. Everything for you, I send them back to sender. I send them back to sender. I pray for all my marriage, because the pity them still did them. Yes. I beg God to make the pity them in my marriage, whether jacket, waistcoat or nothing, because him know. And me tell him from day one, me never hide him in no jacket. No. You shall get a beating. You shall get a beating. And I shall sit back and saw you beating. And saw you beating. And saw me and saw you beating. You shall get a beating. I don't know who prayed this prayer. But I find this prayer on Facebook. And I get up a morning time. I was going to post it and I don't post it. I tape it. And I get up a morning time and I play it and I say I receive it. And God know I believe in it. Only it's too wicked. And you, because you came say you no claim say because you're lonely. You decide to go the bad way. That take you. Pain I go kill you, me not fi do you nothing. You are going to suffer your own consequence. You see how you have me all about a binicle me? And you have me out here so working at my place and my shorts draw down. And you have all pastor, all what? Bitcha, the panny, chastise me. And me say, prayer me a use and win. Prayer me a use and win. I get up every morning and every time I pray. You see my son? You see my son where you sit down and binnacle and I try to carry down? This, my breast them is so. Remember me tell you when a mother hold him belly for you and tie belly band round me. And beat him breast for you. And if what you are saying is true, let it become take my son. And if what you are saying is lie, it must take you. Yes. Yes. 9 man into the sun. Cause me know where you see a lie. Have him in a wish bed and mash him up till him a ball and all this a at him and that a at him. I put you up to the sun. I put you up to the sun. The rising of the sun. Every morning and beat me left breast for you, boy. Remember me tell you, and people shall, social media shall see you. You are not coming off and I don't want you off. I want you to come out and be truthful like today. Oh, Master God, I beat you bad. Yes. Not until you confess that all those are lies. I wouldn't mind you come back again and say them are true. And make her go back, go turn me face to the sun and beat in 9 more morning for you. If you think you're bad, come out, come tell people say are true. My son, they in your house in England. You say, hey boy, you know when a mother get string and tie him belly for your boy and beat that. Yo. And none of them woman you will attack on them show. Never come on and defend it yet. Never. I wanna tell me say true my mother give me when me hate him. Lie wanna tell. Lie wanna tell me not hate him. Me not hate her. She give me life. Who is Uno? Yes, he ugly, him pum pum with her, whatsoever happen. Yes, I still feel me my out of the with a pum pum me come from, my out of the this year me come from on the backside. Dead over it. Dead over it. He give me way, yes. He couldn't stand the look for me face, yes. Me still glad he give me way down and dash me up in a one condom and tie me tight and fling and see what Uno should I do. Gotta beat you bad. Children, God children, remember, uno do for kids in a phone surrounding. Just listen how you talk to your cousin them here. Listen how you deal with them like a dog. You feel like you're there on top. And on the way there you stay so you're born so. And you just feel like a people make you be like that. Stand up to your facts and go to therapy. And enjoy your life and see if you can find a couple people can walk you out at daytime and then something like that you should have depend you look for. No, you depend you look for plumbing with that front. Till me have to call rape. Boy want rape my mama in a night. Every minute this boy come out can rape my mama. You not feel pain too, me no want talk. Me no want talk. Talk every blood clot thing, cause you know me whole big. So how you know want to talk for your story you just a say? And you know say me whole big and me mama front with that. But cool you know. The whole of minister and ministry and where you is. Where the panny are type about me too. Who you? Oh no shame. I God alone can help him and in company social media can say no fear God. He's a devil. God know why he put him down there. If God never put on that mother Ross, that mother Ross would become nuisance to society. He would have worse than the shit in the pit. He would be stinking up society. think God know everything best. And I'm not talking about every individual has gone to him in a fame position. No. Me I talk about this bitch that live under people, mama. All woman, everyone else, you send them, go on to your mama, go suck your mother, go up over your go. Pay people, mama, you live up under. Pay all woman you cuss on social media. Yeah, first somebody come on social media, come cuss cripple and say you're not crippled. Don't. And you cuss cripple all black your daughter. Fear time I come, if you still want time for dead now. Because you just live on the woman and him picnic till the woman and the picnic them have to come out of your down your face. Oh no, too blood clot wicked. Nobody want look in glasses to say over the wicked and come out today come by. Hey, over there, move your bumbo clot. But pray. Pray where? God not answer you. God is a forgiving God. But God no see you. No time. You, we say you not fear him, you can't take back that. You say you not fear him. So I wish God you pray to. That's why you get so much blood clot. It's not going to get better. Because you don't fear God. You feel like you is God. Whenever you fear God, He's a forgiving God. He will forgive you. But not feel like you can't do that to Master God. Beat now will kill you. Pain, worries, problem. You! One thing me know you can reign for only a time. Because God out there see you. And God will put you down. More things than the social media here. Tell them say you barely can't get a toilet, so you put on back the pampers now. That you feel do. Sure know they far you then here. Me have a couple here where they say come give me one every barrel. Yeah, then dry like a chips, I tell you the truth. You want to repent. You want to go River Jordan and then dip your 10 times. You want to dip 66 times. You is an evil boy. You think God like every time you hop underneath ladies? Hop on the woman, hop on the woman, hop on the woman. You don't care the woman then they part the ear, the grey ear them. And I search for scab, for scratch out from underneath the old woman them. And them they were there on your page through for them front no good that you scratch out the whole of them. So they it all minister. I will live in a church, they are wanting a group where me see everybody all. You know they red and white. Make us sit down. Yeah, rain and fall, so I'm not go for my glass. So I'm not even look for no comment. Not nine bar, and a bar me have it. Evening, me I go for my glass. Yeah, see the rain and fall. Good rain and fall. See the good rain and fall. Good rain and fall. And you carry them up pass. Good. As soon as you roll up, I go in a van for my glasses. When I turn it somewhere, we say little. Yeah. So everything where it is so wet up now when I feel like carry on back. Now I can them run to the man. I go wet up and smoke man. That's true man. You can't get up and play with God. And this boy I think him and God are size. Yeah. And most time followers them. Maybe him not understand when really pick up on Facebook, you know, cause you look people for cuss people and up under them mama. You know so where you get? All I want know. Limbless. And evil. So don't never cuss the boy till the boy have to move out of the house. Who no dey give down no donation for build slow on the house? Who not run out still only one son to go up on road? Suppose anything happen to them which part then gone and something on see. Lord! They should have stayed at the house. Oh, no, too wicked. Oh, no, too wicked. Leave them alone and not give them nothing and say if they not survive same way. All when him call you ask, you know say Silone name beggy. So when Silone call you ask, you just don't give nothing and say if they not live the same way. No. You come on social media, your biggest view you get when you say LandLawd or you say Silone. Because I go and rub on left, right and center. A boy can't come out and say you no fear God. Whop him, Papa Jesus. Whop him, Papa Jesus. Blood clot.